Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelation. So today we are going to learn to make a yummy chicken biryani from some leftover chicken curry. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So here I have some chicken curry. This is around 1 kg of chicken curry. I have taken it directly from the fridge. Let this come to room temperature. Meanwhile, let's keep our rice ready. I have taken 3 cups. This is 250 ml cup. So 3 cups of rice, wash it thoroughly and then keep this aside. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn more interesting recipes. So we'll keep this aside. We'll also take 2 tomatoes. I've cleaned it and now we'll make it into a smooth paste and keep that as well ready. Next, into a pressure cooker, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. To this, add few spices like bay leaves, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and mace. This is completely optional, but it will add nice flavor to your biryani. Once you get nice aroma of these spices, add 2 medium-sized onions sliced. Saute the onions till they turn golden. To speeden up the process, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and then saute the onions. Also, depending upon your spice tolerance, add in split green chilies. Once golden, add the tomato puree which we had kept ready as mentioned earlier. Cook the tomato puree till the oil separates from the mixture. Now to this add half cup of curd. Beat the curd and then add it. Adding curd helps in softening the rice and meat. That is the reason we add curd while making biryani. Add a handful of cashews. This is completely optional. Also, this recipe is extremely useful for those people who have no time to cook a complete full pot biryani, which is a very lengthy process. If you have some chicken which is made over the weekend, you can use it on the weekdays to convert it into a beautiful biryani. Now add the chicken and mix it really well. Next, add the rice which we had kept aside in a strainer after washing. Please note, do not keep the rice after washing in the water. Strain it immediately and allow the water to drain off. Else the rice will get overcooked in the cooking process. Now add a big bunch of washed and chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 teaspoons of mint leaves. For a much simpler process, and if you're super lazy, you can skip sauteing the onions and spices that we did in the beginning. Instead, add some ghee, add tomato puree, add chicken, rice, water and some coriander leaves and then pressure cook. Next, add salt as per your taste and 1 to 1.5 liters of hot boiling water. Please do not add cold water because it will alter the texture of the biryani. An important tip for those who get confused on how much water to be added while cooking biryani in a pressure cooker. Please note, add 1 liter of hot boiling water first and see whether the rice is submerged. If not, add little more water. The level of water should be 1 inch above the level of rice. Now close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook on very high flame up to 1 whistle. Now once you hear the whistle, switch off the flame and start depressurizing the pressure cooker. Please do not allow the pressure cooker to depressurize on itself, else your biryani will turn out to be a super duper cake. Once the cooker has been fully depressurized, open the lid immediately. It took me around 8 to 10 minutes for this whole process, just around 5 to 6 minutes for the whistle to come. It might differ from cooker to cooker. However, maximum time that it will take is 15 minutes. Have you ever wondered making of chicken biryani in 15 minutes? If not, please do try this recipe. Also, you should immediately transfer this into another container or preferably a strainer because it will continue to cook if you keep inside this pressure cooker. And with air circulation in a strainer, the rice will remain perfect and separate. Also, if you're not going to finish this biryani immediately, you can transfer it into another airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. Also, another tip for reheating biryani is please do not reheat it in a microwave oven or in a random vessel. The best tip would be to steam the biryani and then have it. It will make the rice more softer and also the spices to infuse with the rice and the chicken. This recipe is extremely useful for office goers or bachelors. Please do try out this recipe. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.